Sino sa atin yung naka-experience na mas malakas pa yung tilaok ng manok, yung tahol ng aso, o yung tricycle na dumadaan sa tuwing meron tayong online meeting, Zoom call, or an actual online class, or even a lesson recording? Relate ba kayo? Right? And the memes are funny, it's all over social media na meron ng headset yung mga manok o yung mga aso. It's funny, but it's true. And the struggle is real, especially for teachers na ito na, sasabak na sa online teaching, sa mga tao na nag-work from home. The struggle to find a quiet place is real. And I think for some of us, minsan nagre-record tayo sa gabi, yung mga 9 p.m. onwards, or very early in the morning, para lang matimingan na hindi masyadong maingay sa paligid. Pero paano naman yung mga online meeting sa umaga? Or yung klase natin, tayong mga teacher, syempre yung klase natin, between 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Paano naman yun? Paano ang lahat ng mga ingay na naririnig sa ating paligid? I think we may have found the solution. Introducing the Krisp app. I learned this app through a friend and a mentor who also happens to be our builder at the Feast Makati Legazpi. So special shout out to Kuya Torelova for introducing this app to me. Now, the question is, ito na nga ba ang sagot sa mga background noises na hindi natin matakasan? Well, watch the video and let's find out here in Learn with Lala. So, what is Krisp? It is a program that can mute background noise in any communication app. And with one single button, you can speak without noise and you can listen without noise. Also, it supports any device like a microphone, a headset, and a speaker, and can be used in over 800 apps for conferencing, voice messaging, streaming, and recording. Now, paano ka magkakaroon ng program nito sa laptop mo? All you have to do is go to this website, krisp.ai. There you go. Now, you can get this for free or you can get the pro version. Anong difference nung dalawa? Sa free, you can use the program for a maximum of 2 hours per week or 120 minutes per week. So if you seldom use it, seldom use the Zoom, Teams, or Meet, pwede na sa'yo yung free account. Pero kung madalas kang nag-Zoom, madalas kang online, either you're a teacher or you have meetings, I think better to use the Pro kasi unlimited siya. Now, for teachers like me, you can get the Krisp Pro for free for 6 months. Yep! This is their way of helping us, to mga students, teachers, government, and hospital workers. This is their way of helping us during this pandemic. I will put the link below sa description box so that you can just click on it, and then all you have to do is to click this link. Here, I'll highlight it. Yan. So you just have to answer a Google form, a very quick Google form, and then i-review nila, and then when they'll send you an email if approved yung Pro account. Now, how do you download the Krisp program? Just click this link, get Krisp for free, and then click the download app. Well, you can also choose to just install the extension sa Chrome browser mo, but I think this one has more benefits, yung desktop app. So just click it, and then magsa-start siya ng download ng program, as you can see here sa lower left corner. And then when it's done, just open it and install the program to your laptop. So just follow the instructions. Once you have downloaded the program, it will create a desktop icon, and for Macs, you can see it here on top. So meron yung Krisp na icon here. And then dito, Madali lang siya intindihin. May two parts lang yan. You have the microphone part and the speaker part. Sa microphone, as you can see, nakalagay in use. And then, naka-on yung removes noise. Ibig sabihin, currently, I am using this mic. I'm using the Krisp app to remove the background noise na meron dito sa side ko. Now, ano yung speaker? Yung speaker, ginagamit siya sa mga video conferencing apps or sa teleconferencing, for example, sa mga Zoom or Google Meets, because kung yung kausap mo sa kabilang side ay may background noise, pero kung naka-switch on itong removes noise na option for the speaker, kahit yung background noise nung kausap mo, pwedeng ma-remove. Alright? So there you go. So again, always just select this option, removes noise, and then just click same as system. If you want to use the Krisp app in your Zoom calls, so open your Zoom app, and then here in the home page, click mo yung settings icon here sa upper right hand, and then sa audio, make sure na ang pipiliin mo yung Krisp speaker and the Krisp microphone. There you go. So make sure na yan yung check. And then that's it. Now, when you are currently in a Zoom meeting, dun sa lower left corner where the unmute button is, merong arrow-like button. Click that and make sure na nakaselect yung Krisp microphone and the Krisp speaker. Now it's time to put the Krisp app to the test. So right now I'm showing a PDF file. For example, I'm in an online class and it's morning. Right now it's 11 o'clock where most of our meetings and our classes happen. So right now, let's check. Ang option natin, naka-turn off yung removes noise. So dapat naririnig nyo yung background noise dito from my end. Nakabukas yung electric fans. Ayan, feel free na tumilaok ang mga manok. Kailangan nating mahuli ang mga sounds na ganyan. Again, we're trying to test this. And later we'll switch the option on. We'll turn it on and let's see kung ma-minimize nga. Let us turn this on. So, again, may electric fan pa rin. Yung mga manok, patuloy silang tumitilaok. I don't know if you can hear them and the birds are chirping. Yeah, I mean, I don't know if, again, I'm not sure if you can hear the noise. We'll find out later sa playback. Yan. And then, let's turn it back on. I guess that's enough time. Yan. Kasi patuloy na tumitilaok yung manok eh. So, i-off natin siya ulit. There you go. Do you still hear the tilaoks? Yan. Yan yung mga sounds or noises na kalaban natin pag morning, di ba? Pag may meeting, sa Zoom, or kapag may class. Oh, pati yung tricycle kasali. So, there. So, we'll see sa playback and, when we watch the video, if indeed effective yung Krisp app. So, what do you think? Personally, I think this is an app worth trying out. And because it's a program for our laptops, maraming apps and programs na pwede natin magamit using Krisp. For example, for video messaging, voice messaging, video conferencing, you can use Krisp with, again, as mentioned, Zoom, Meet, Hangouts, FaceTime, even Skype. And then for those who are doing the screen recording, for those doing video tutorials or recording their lessons, using Loom or Screencastify, again, you can use Krisp microphone with those apps. Now, for those who are doing their video recordings using QuickTime Player or VLC Player, you can also use Krisp with those apps. Nice, right? And I think there are 800 apps. You can find out more about it in their website. Now, for those asking, magagamit ba natin yung Krisp if we record ourselves using a mobile phone? The answer is no, I don't think so. There is an app in the iOS, in the App Store, and I downloaded it, thinking na pwede mag-mute or pwede magamit yung Krisp to do a video recording. But unfortunately, it's only for FaceTime, Zoom, again for voice calls to minimize the background noises while, using it for voice calls. But if ever you find a way to use Krisp, to record ourselves in our phones, feel free to make a comment sa ibaba. And, let's learn together, let's research together, and help one another. So there, well, I hope you learned something new today. And I hope you found a way to somehow minimize the background noises. Alright? So, happy online teaching and happy recording, everybody! See you in our next episode! Bye!